Well, hey everybody, Martika here with Martika J Makes, and thank you for joining me today. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Subscribe so that you do not miss a thing. So today, I'm going to be talking about my March sewing plans. The key word here is plans, okay? So we know how our days, our weeks, our months can go. You know, you have everything all lined up, how it's going to go. Something happens and your plans go out the window. So I am really kind of determined to stick to this. So I'm going to try my best. Just pray for me. We're going to see what happens because I have 3 items that I want to sew up this month. So let's start with the first one. Now I have had this pattern. I bought this last summer at a pattern sale. I can't remember if I got it from Joann's or Hobby Lobby, but it was on sale, and it is McCall's 8035, and it is this pattern right here. You guys, I fell in love with this dress when I saw it, and let me get it up closer because that is the view I'm going to be doing. That is view C, and that dress to me, it just looks so carefree. Something you can lounge around the house in, something you can go shopping in, you know, just hang out in. And just doesn't have a lot to it. The only notion pretty much is just that elastic band around there. And yeah, just my type of thing right now. Something that's really carefree, easy, not a lot you have to think about. Now, I also like view B in this one, but I will be sewing that up a little bit later. But right now, I'm gonna focus on view C. And the fabric that I'm using, I also got last summer when Joann's was having a big fabric sale. And I got this beautiful yellow gauze. Let me put that up close. You guys, this have already been pre-washed. So this is what it looks like even after it has been pre-washed. It's just, I fell in love with the color. This is my mom's favorite color. So I know she's just gonna adore it because I'm usually not a bright colored person, you know, when it comes to clothing, but I fell in love with this and I just thought that it would be so pretty in that dress. But it's very soft. It doesn't have, you know, like stretch to it or anything, but I like the fact that it's not thick at all. It is a very thin, lightweight fabric. However, as you can see, it's not very see-through. So it, like I said, it is something you really can lounge wherever you want to go and just kind of be carefree, put on some cute sandals with it, and you are out the door. But I got about 4 or 5 yards of this fabric when I bought it. I'm really learning to buy enough fabric, so I'm glad that I did because I'm able to do that dress. But when I bought this and got this pattern, I knew that this is what I wanted to use it for. So that is, to me, is just going to be adorable. Just imagine what that's going to be like there. So pretty. So that is the first item that I'm working on because right now I just really feel like sewing up something bright, you guys. It's just been, we've had some beautiful months, days here of beautiful weather, and I'm feeling springy, summery, whatever you want to call it. The warm weather is really helping. So I just feel like sewing something bright right now. That's what I'm going to do. Now, the next project I'm going to sew, you will see it pop up, and it is called the Carry Top. Now, this top is what has been chosen for the Sew Your View. Now, if you have not heard of Sew Your View, go over to Instagram, and I will put the hashtag down here and just look for Sew Your View. Sew Your View, there is a different project every month for people who want to participate in, to sew that particular item, and then you post your photo of what you did. There are different hosts every single month. I don't know, I can't remember all the details to who's hosting it this month, but if you go there, you will see all of the details. So I just thought that this top was really cute. I've never participated in the Sew Your View before, but this month I am, and I figured that this would be a perfect project for me to start with because I'm needing to sew another top right now. So I like the fact that this top, it is also kind of flowy, kind of loose, kind of carefree, nothing, you know, constricting or anything. I love the belt to it. So I just really like everything about this top. And the fabric that I have chosen to do this in is this beautiful fabric right here. You guys, how pretty is that? And I got this fabric at Walmart. This was one of my $2 for 2 yards for $4 fabrics that I found there. And it's just really pretty. I think this is like a polyester blend of some type, but it's very, very lightweight. And as you can see, the flow to this is just really nice. So I think that this is gonna be really, really pretty in that top. A few different colors, you know, the blue, the peach, the black, the white. You can put this with some jeans. You can put this with some shorts. And you can even put this with a really cute pencil skirt when I'm thinking about that top. And yeah, that's really gonna be nice. So I'm pretty excited to sew that up too. When I looked at all of the instructions, the pattern is free, you guys. And so you can download that from Mood Fabrics for free and participate in the Sew Your View this month. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. And when I went through the instructions and saw, you know, how simple it was, I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna participate in this time. Now, the last thing that I plan to sew this month, I put in 3. As you know, last month, if you saw my video, I got in 1 make, you guys. But it was a busy month, and it's like that sometimes. So we're gonna try to do these 3 really simple projects this month. And these are things that I do need in my wardrobe, so I'm gonna try and make it happen. So I'm gonna do Simplicity 9224, and this is one of Mimi G's new spring patterns. And it's this really cute wrap dress. Just looks really simple. She actually has a sew along video that she just posted about a week or 2 ago, and so that's going to be easy to do, to be able to get on there and sew along. And I'm actually going to do this particular view here. And what I like about it, this is view B. You have your view A, that's just really just a simple wrap dress there, of course, you know, with your angled front there. But this one, you can see it has the contrasting band like what she is wearing right here. But instead of mine being in just a color, I decided that I'm gonna play around with it. I went through my fabrics and I thought, I'm gonna take a chance, step outside the box, and I'm gonna do something a little different. So let me show you what I'm gonna do with that. First of all, I do have some fabric from Melanated Fabrics, which is Mimi G and Brittany J. Jones fabric company. And this is in the Mojito Slub fabric, and the color is tobacco. So I just thought this, when I saw this color, I thought it was beautiful anyway. That's why I ordered it. So, but this has been pre-washed also. And as you can see how beautiful it is after it has been washed. So this color is just adorable. And then for my contrasting band, I am actually, this particular fabric, I bought this at the same time that I bought that yellow gauze at Joann's, because at that time denim was on sale. And this was in the denim stack. So as we know how expensive denim can be, I went on ahead and grabbed some. So this right here, I am going to use as my contrasting band. Okay, I'm stepping outside the box of what I normally would do, and just want to try something different just for myself. And let me put these together so you guys can actually see what this would look like. So if I have this going here, and then I have this little contrasting band here, the colors in here just complement each other so very well. And let me pick this up so you can see it. I just love it. I love it. And I think that with just that band with the prints is just gonna be so, so pretty. You have so many colors in here to work with. I can see this with some navy blue sandals, or some brown, or some little yellow. You have some like orange and peachy tones in there. You have some purple in there. So you can put so many different accessories and shoes with a contrast like this. So I'm gonna try it, and I think it's gonna be really, really cute, you guys. Look at that. Tell me what you think. Tell me how you think this is gonna turn out, and I just can't wait to show you when I got it all done. So yeah, those are my 3 makes for the month. So I'm gonna actually, 2 of the patterns I've already gotten cut out. A lot of times when I know what I'm gonna do ahead of time, I'll go ahead and cut the pattern out. So I got the pattern cut out for this, and I downloaded the pattern for the Carrie very top, and I went on ahead and cut that out to the PDF pattern. I taped it together and cut it out. That pattern is ready to go. So all I have to do at this point is cut my fabric out and sew. So yeah, that's gonna be nice. And come to think of it, for this particular pattern, I believe that Brittany J. Jones have a sew with me for this particular pattern, if I'm not mistaken. So if she does, I'm just gonna pop on there and sew it along with her, because a lot of times those are a lot faster than trying to read through every single instruction, although I always have the instruction there in case something isn't totally clear. But yeah, I think it's gonna be really fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump off of here because I think I have a little time to go ahead and get started. And I'm really excited to let you guys see what all I have completed. If I completed some of them or all of them, we're gonna go for all. So pray for you, girl, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a great one. Bye-bye.